Welcome to Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda HR-V, a compact crossover that strikes the perfect balance between fuel efficiency, practicality, and long-lasting reliability. Honda has built a reputation for designing vehicles that stand the test of time, and with this new model, the HR-V stays true to that legacy while offering thoughtful updates for modern drivers. Under the hood, the 2026 HR-V features a refined 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission for smooth performance. While it's not a powerhouse, the HR-V excels in one critical area: fuel economy. With an estimated 30 miles per gallon in the city and up to 37 mpg on the highway for front-wheel drive models, this crossover is clearly designed to go farther on every tank. Whether you're commuting through traffic or heading out on a road trip, the HR-V ensures fewer stops at the gas station. Inside, the 2026 HR-V boasts a clean and user-friendly interior, with high-quality materials and thoughtful touches throughout the cabin. Honda has prioritized comfort and space, with wide seats and a layout that feels open and modern. The infotainment system is anchored by a crisp 9-inch touchscreen, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard on most trims. Physical buttons remain for climate control, a welcome choice for those who prefer tactile simplicity over screen-heavy setups. But where the HR-V really shines is in cargo space and utility. Despite being a compact SUV, the HR-V offers one of the most versatile cargo areas in its class. With the rear seats up, you get around 24.4 cubic feet of space, enough for groceries, strollers, or weekend bags. Fold the 60/40th split rear seats flat, and that space expands to over 55 cubic feet. Whether you're hauling sports gear, camping supplies, or moving furniture, the HR-V adapts to your needs effortlessly. In terms of durability, Honda continues to impress. The HR-V's construction and components are built for longevity, with solid build quality and minimal complaints from long-term owners. Routine maintenance is straightforward, and Honda's reputation for reliability means the HR-V is a strong choice for buyers planning to keep their vehicle for years to come. It's also equipped with Honda Sensing, a full suite of safety features including adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, and lane keeping assist, making it one of the safest small crossovers available today. The 2026 Honda HR-V doesn't try to be flashy. Instead, it focuses on the essentials that matter most to real drivers: low fuel costs, everyday practicality, and dependable performance over the long haul. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that delivers value without compromise, the HR-V is absolutely worth a look. Thanks for watching Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Honda HR-V.